guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy and step-by-step dance tutorials. So today I'm gonna show you some sliding dance, which is also known as gliding. So this is gonna be a sliding dance tutorial slash gliding dance tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Now, I've been studying most of the YouTube videos out there on sliding slash gliding, and most of the videos tell you to do it like this. So you put all of your weight on your right, you push out, and then you want to switch the weight to your left, and then you drag in, switch the weight, push out, switch the weight, drag in. Now, this is probably good for most of you, but I'm just gonna show you a different way of doing it. Sorry, I had to change my shoes because the others were getting squeaky. Anyways, so in order to learn this sliding dance, I'm gonna show you 3 steps that you need to practice to master this dance move. Alright, so step number 1, I'm just gonna show you from the side, it makes more sense. So, taking one foot up on either your heel like that, if your shoes are stiff, or if they're soft, you can just go here on the ball of your foot, right? So from here, I want you to say down, now you wanna lift the other one, and then you wanna do the same, just as if you're working your calves here, yeah? So down, 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 down. Now it's important that you don't do wah, 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 because this is what makes the sliding smooth. Yeah? Just practice that a few times. Now your calves are probably gonna be sore tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. Alright, step number 2. So once you can do this on the spot, just gonna show you from the side. What I want you to do is now take the right in front of your left. It could also be the opposite, but now we're just practicing with the right in front. And then I want you to do the same, yeah? Going up on your toes and down. And as you can see, you kind of need to lean to the front and to the back in order to keep the balance. But when you're doing this fast, you won't do this. Yeah, it's more subtle. But anyways, you're practicing this. Now, what I want you to do is, I'm just going to show you here to the front again. What I want you to do is just move slightly to your left as you're doing this. Yeah? So what you want to do is you're going to say, here, just slight step to the left. Yeah, so you're on the spot, just going to show you again. On the spot. And then move slightly to the left, slightly to the left, and it's my left leg taking a small step to the left, to the left, to the left. Yeah, and then you can gradually increase. So in the beginning, you're just taking tiny steps. Then you can take bigger steps. Alright, step number 3. So by now you should be able to do whoom, 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 whoom. If you can, then please pause the video, practice some more, and then resume. Alright, so now what I want you to practice is whenever you do this right foot, you're gonna twist out your heel like that. So your heel is pointing here to your left. And then you want to do exactly the same, just with your right foot like this. Whoom, 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 and so on. Now, some of you are probably thinking, well, but why aren't you gliding or sliding your feet across the floor instead of lifting them? Well, that's because the most important thing about this move is being able to switch the weight and do that in a smooth way, which is why we did this in the beginning. Because once you can do this, once you master this, then you can add those small details, like I'm just going to explain you now. So those small details are here, when you push up with your right, your toes are pointing outwards, so like that. And then when you switch the weight, you want to go inwards, and then outwards, push, inwards, outwards, inward, outwards, and so on. And the second thing is that once you know how to switch the weight smoothly, then you can also drag your feet across the floor here. So, practice, 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 and then you will be able to master it. Alright guys, that was my take on how to do the sliding dance / gliding dance. I hope some of you got something out of it. If you did, please let me know, because I love it when people are actually learning stuff from my tutorial and not just watching the preview. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.